Hi friends, in previous video we had learned human circulatory system. In this video we will learn human lymphatic system. In this video we will cover the points such as importance of lymphatic system, parts of lymphatic system and work of lymphatic system. So we will learn the importance of the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is mainly drainage system of the body, which helps to remove excrete unwanted material from the extracellular fluid of the body, which is produced by the tissues or cells of the body. Means let's consider that 70 ml of blood is pumped by the one beat of the heart, in which the 50 ml of blood is recirculated in the body, but the 20 ml which is remain to be recirculate, that how that comes in the circulation, that's come in the circulation because of the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is a most essential part of the circulatory system, and it supports the circulatory system, support the circulatory system. Again, what are the parts of the lymphatic system? Lymphatic system has parts such as first lymph capillaries, lymphatic artery, lymphatic vessels and lymph nodes are the parts of the lymphatic system, in which the lymph, we will learn lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid, and other than blood it not contains RBC, platelets and some amount of protein. Means it contains only WBC and some amount of protein and water are the three main ingredient of the lymph. Lymph is a fluid present in the intercellular fluid, which is used to clear the extracellular fluid of the tissue and to be clean the body. After we learn lymph node are the basically are the nodes present in the different parts of the body, and majorly it is present in armpits, means all the edges of the body, all the joints were present in the body, where mainly present the lymph nodes in more amount. Otherwise it is spread in the body at various positions. Armpit and groin, where the lymph is mainly present. After we learn lymph node, after the lymph we will learn lymphatic capillaries. Lymphatic capillary are the very small in diameter, and it is compared to the blood capillary. It conducts the lymph from the extracellular fluid to the lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic artery, lymphatic capillary are interwoven in the tissue, so what it collect the lymph easily, and it is lined by the fat and endothelium. After the lymphatic capillary, we will learn lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels are somewhat a larger diameter rather than lymphatic capillary. It has lined by also fat and endothelium, and also it has various flaps to prevent reverse flow of the lymph. And all the capillaries collect their lymph in the lymphatic vessels, and lymphatic vessels has mainly three parts. Is a thoracic thoracic lymphatic vessel, left in lymphatic vessel and right lymphatic vessels. Mainly the thoracic lymph vessels are the collect the major part of the lymph from the upper side of body, head, neck and other chest part of the body. Its lymph is collected by the thoracic lymph, and after all the races of body is collected by right or left lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels has a bulgy part in their path, so it called also a lymph node. Lymph node is a bean shaped things present in the lymphatic arteries. Mainly the work of the lymph node is to is to kill the bacteria and all the excess harmful virus. We take a cross section of the lymph. Then we will observe that it contains a white pulp and red pulp. White pulp contains a WBC, which is lymphocytes, and macrophages. Somewhat of it contains eosinophil, neutrophils, and eosinophils. But in the red part or red pulp of the lymph, it contains somewhat of RBCs and excrete and killed bacteria and viruses, which is to be excrete from the lymph node. After the whole collection of the lymph is drainage in the drain into the blood vessels at the subclavian vessels. Mainly there are the 7 lymph nodes present in the body, which are the main. Otherwise they has numerous in the body. Mainly the 7 are thoracic. Mainly there are various lymph nodes present in the body, in which thoracic, subclavian, jugular, subjugular, injugular, not subjugular, injugular, and auxiliary are the main nodes present in the body. In them, the one intestinal node, all of has 2 pairs, but intestinal node has only 1 pair. Means after that, the most biggest node is the spleen. Spleen is present in between the cavity of stomach, kidney, and large intestine. That cavity, in them cavity presents spleen. Spleen is produces lymph, and it is also responsible to digest the higher molecules such as fat and other high molecular masses. Molecules are digested by the spleen. This is all about the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is one of the major important system in the body. Important system in the body. If you feel this content is useful, then spread it with your friend and share them this knowledge. Thank you for watching this channel.